So I'm going to show you how to create a voki, which is a speaking avatar. It can be used to keep your students engaged by creating audio for your presentation. The first thing you want to do is you want to register. When you register, you need to have your name, your email address, and then you'll create a password. You have to accept all the terms and conditions, and you have to be over the age of 13. Since I already signed up, I'm just going to log in. Vokis can be utilized by educators and students. First thing we're going to do is we're going to click on Create a Voki. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to customize your character. You can choose between male or female, and you can also pick various characters, things that are more cartoonish, smiley faces, monsters, just various characters. You want to pick something that will be beneficial for your presentation. Just for this, to make it fun, I'm going to create an anime. After you've chosen your character, you can change them up a little bit. You can change their hairdo, you can change their hair color, you can change their lips. This one only has one, but some of the other characters will have other lip styles. Afterwards, you can change the coloring. You can change the colors on their lips. Change their eyes, their skin tone, their hair color, and you might want to whiten their mouth, or make their mouth bigger, change how big their nose are. Make their bodies bigger or smaller. You can also change their clothing. And even add some accessories. It all depends on the character you have. Some provide more than others. Another important thing to think about is when you pick your character is, right now I'm using the free version of voki, and that means that when you're using anything that's free, a tool, there's going to be some limits. For example, anything with these hats on them, like the graduation hats, I cannot use. Then you want to make sure you change the background to suit your presentation needs. When you want to give it a voice, you have a choice of, you can record it by using the phone, you can type it in, or you can record it through your computer. You can probably also, you can upload some audio files. For this one, I'm gonna type it in, but if you wanted to give your voki the sound of your voice, you would want to record it by the phone, record it by your computer, or upload an audio file. But with this, I'm just gonna type it in for today. After you type it in, you want to make sure you play it back, because the one thing about Vokis is that you might have to change the spelling on what you want the Voki to say to make it sound correctly. And also you can change the accent and the language and the voice. And if it goes too fast, you might want to add some spaces or commas in there to get the Voki to slow down a little bit. So it requires a little bit of playing around to make sure you get it exactly how you want it. But after you're done, you just hit done. And you're going to want to publish it. So you can title it whatever you'd like to go with your presentation. Okay, so now you have over here, you have your links to embed. If you want to embed your Voki, say in a blog, you would need to copy it and make sure you embed it into the HTML code. Or you can share it through any of these. And Vokis are very simple to create and can be utilized by any age group. And there's many Voki tutorials out there